Okay, so Call of Duty Black Ops 6 just got released and you are right now looking for the option to compete in a one-on-one. So first you want to go to multiplayer, then click down here on find a match. Now, as you can see, you have all the different multiplayer game options, the featured one, and up here the game mode filter. Under the featured you have the training course and also the private match. We want to click on private match, then select create private match, click on it, and now you can set up your private match. So this may take 15 seconds or 20 seconds. After those 3 bars are gone, the server is set up, and now you can click on invite players, add bots on the right, select the difficulty and click on confirm. Now I have added a bot, and then you can go to game setup. First you can select your game mode, then select your map and select your game rules. In game rules you have different options which are not all relevant. So first you can set up your time limit, your round win limit, and even more options to end or to start the round. On advanced you have the option to set up overtime, flag timer, time to capture, and so on. On player you can select how many lives the player should have, the max life, if you want to play a third person, and on team you can enable, disable if you can spectate. The minimap should be enabled or disabled, and on gameplay you can turn on hardcore mode, headshots only, health steal, perks, and so on. Then go all the way back, click on lobby members, and then click on play. After a few seconds you will get on the map, and then you can just fight 1v1 as in all other Call of Duties. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you also have the problem to level too slow in BO6, please click here to get a full loadout to level faster in Black Ops 6 multiplayer.